Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to turn off hardware acceleration in DuckDuckGo Browser. If you're experiencing lag, crashes, or graphical issues, disabling this feature might help. Let's get started. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your computer. Next, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, select Settings. Scroll down or use the search bar to find Advanced. Look for the option labeled Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Toggle it off. To apply the changes, restart your browser by closing and reopening it. That's it. You've successfully turned off hardware acceleration in DuckDuckGo Browser. If this video helped, consider subscribing for more browser tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.